This is some of the few things, major things that's I don't think apply in the city of on the street of New York and other places. Okay, here we go. You might think that, oh my god, if that happened to you, I'm gonna sue you, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. But in the street, automatically get tossed out. I notice that all the time. Okay, and you need to listen up. Okay, if you're from New York or any other places, in the street, if this happened to you, no one care. You might care a lot, it might be embarrassing for you, but no one really give a damn. Okay, and this is very important to take a note. Okay, there's not even guarantee that you're gonna legally pass, and good luck writing a police report, because they're not even take your police report. You're not even qualified to take a police report sometime in many cases. Number one, if somebody pushed you, okay, if somebody insulted you, cursed you out, just like nothing gonna happen. Okay, it's very something, you know. If somebody pushed you nearby, slowly push you or get physical with you, it depends. It depends. There's like, you're not gonna able to sue them. You gotta provide damages, this and that. Okay, that's it, tossed out. Okay, anything physical, you know, nope. If you ever get spitted on, okay, if somebody come in, if a woman spit on you or a man spit on you, nope. It's who knows, like nothing gonna happen. Okay, there's no, it's a spitting is a harassment. Listen to this. It's not an assault. What a mess, you know. Really, they're not gonna do nothing if you ever get spitted. Next, if you throw an object to somebody, or if you snatch your bag, if somebody snatches your bag, it's not even a guarantee what's gonna happen. Okay, that's another thing. If somebody snatches your bag and run away, if they run away fast, if they really take your stuff and run away fast, good luck tracing it down. Lost, theft, you don't know their name, escalating it on the case, good luck. That's just not gonna happen. Okay, good luck putting that. People have the big mouth. You're gonna run your mouth to the police station so much, but it will never get escalated like that, like how you thought it would be or how it's supposed to be escalated. And this is what giving the criminal more and more chance and tactical that they can do this regularly and get away with it. And they do get away with it. And for the creators and inventors of a watch, expensive watch, they don't get any benefits out of it. They get low prioritized. You know, top of that, they're paying tax. But if their product get ever stolen, I don't see any benefits, so much of a benefits that, okay, look, okay? Or if the state would have said, hey, look, we're gonna give you temporary credit anyway because we see you reported and you, the criminal took your stuff. Okay, we're gonna give you a temporary fund. If there's a rules like that, then this police or PD will be much more tightened up, right? But nope, they're not gonna give you no temporary credit, but then you know what? They're gonna take your tax. So imagine if you would have asked them, okay, demand me some percentage of tax return because this thing got stolen. That would have even still make sense, right? But no, okay? They're not gonna give you a tax return back. They're not gonna give you a temporary credit by the government because somebody attacked your store. Nope, okay? Another thing is, if somebody insults you, insults your brand, break your brand in front of everybody, nothing gonna happen. Even in front of the cameras, barely there's anything can happen in New York, okay? So be very careful. What do you know? What do you heard? Suing things. Even nowadays on a car accident, this does not work as you think it's supposed to. Okay, so that's it. Real world is really ugly and harsh. And if you're coming from a suburb or good family, you don't even get it how nasty the street can get. Street is the disgusting thing. It's probably, you rather be in a hospital, I think it's better than that. Like you take something away or you destroy somebody's product, it's like so easy. And that's the one basic lesson you have learned, that people are still animal in many ways, that you can really take somebody's thing down without any fucking problems, like no issues at all, like nothing gonna happen. It's just super duper interesting, and it's just so free and all time easy. Over.